In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell templates and photos on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's jump right in. Selling digital products like templates and photos is a fantastic way to generate income, and Gumroad makes it incredibly simple. So let's get started with the steps you'll need to follow to successfully list your products on this platform. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Gumroad website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It doesn't take long, and it allows you to manage your products, sales, and even the finances all in one place. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Products section. It's usually pretty prominent on your dashboard. You'll want to click on that to start the process of creating your listing. Now it's time to give your product some identity. You'll notice a button or a prompt that says, Add a product, or similar. Click on that. Here, you'll be prompted to give your product a name. Make sure to choose a name that is catchy and descriptive so that potential buyers know exactly what they're getting. It's like the first impression your product will make to shoppers, so make it count. After naming your product, you're going to set a price. This is one of the most crucial aspects of selling online. You'll want to think about what similar products are going for, but also consider the value you're providing. Don't undervalue your work, but also remember that competitive pricing can attract more buyers. Once you've set your price, click Next to move forward. Now, here is where the fun begins. You can customize your product page. There are a few vital elements you will need to include. First up, you'll need an eye-catching thumbnail or cover photo. This is the image that will grab your customers' attention as they scroll through listings. Take a minute to upload your cover photo directly from your computer. If you don't already have an image prepared, I suggest going back to create one first. It's worth the effort. Next, you'll want to create a zip folder that contains your templates or photos for download. Simply gather all the necessary files, compress them into a zip folder, and upload that file in the designated area on your product page. This makes it easy for customers to download everything in one go. Now, let's talk about descriptions. You absolutely need to add a clear and informative description of your product. This is your chance to tell potential buyers about your templates or photos, what they can do with them, and why they should choose your product over others. Good descriptions can significantly improve your sales conversions, so don't skip this step. After you've uploaded your thumbnail and zip folder and written a compelling description, there's one last thing to do. You need to ensure that you've selected the specific template you want to sell from your File Explorer or Upload area. Just make sure you select it correctly, otherwise customers might end up with the wrong files. Once everything looks great, it's time to click Publish. Your product will be live for the world to see. Now, you'll have the opportunity to promote your product on social media or through any other channels you have. Just remember to keep engaging with your audience to build up interest in your offerings. And that's it! You're now ready to start selling templates and photos on Gumroad. Easy, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this